Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Invited this man.
You want me to participate in illegal activities with you? Absolutely, I'm honored. When do you want to go?
I think I know the answer, Mr. Garrison. Shut up, fat boy. Hey, don't call me fat, you fucking Jew.
Eric, did you just say the F word?
Jew? No, he's talking about fuck. You can't say fucking school, you fucking fat ass.
Hey, what you doing?
Hey, what time is it?
It's muffin time!
Actually it's 12:30.
Somebody kill me!
Ray, cut it out. You're gonna make it mad.
I don't give a fuck, Keisha.
Show me the reason you have no money.
All right, let's get back to talking about my outfit.
Nobody was talking about that.
Which is why I'm trying to get that ball rolling. So how does it look? It's good, right?
You've had enough treats.
You better give me some fucking snacks before I beat your ass.
I'm not that innocent. I'm not that innocent.
The animatronic characters here do get a bit quirky at night.